Hey guys, it's John. This is a quick video I threw together for my first audio test. It's probably not a good video. I would probably suggest not watching it unless you really enjoy just watching an airplane fly. I do my best to keep people entertained, but no promises on this one. But again, this was just a test, so you're going to hear me saying stupid stuff like hello, 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 and all that stuff. And I just wanted to make sure everything worked right. So if you're willing to stick around, here it is. Thanks.
Hello, 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 hello. Fuel pumps on. 122.7 is Jacksonville. 122.7. All right. Well, here's a. Where did my zip tie go? Ah, there it is. All right. This is a test of my audio. Okay, well that looks good. I'm gonna now test my audio with the strobe on and with the lights all on. Hello, hello, check 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Seeing how that works. Now I'm gonna turn all those off. Okay, everything's off now, so we'll see how that works. All right, let me see here. Jacksonville traffic, can I get a radio check? All right, doesn't appear as though there's anybody out and about. Let's see here. Got our traffic on. ADSB is connected. Let's see, there's no traffic anywhere. It's not quite. It says thunderstorms and stuff, but that's cleared up as you can see. Like some low turbulence, so that'll be fun. Stratus, marginal. And I have to use a zip tie because I don't have my chest piece. So, I'm going to have to zip tie it. And put it like right there. I have no idea what you're going to be able to see. I can't see what you can see. But I guess we'll figure it out later. Let me see here. So EGT is only coming up on the left side. So let's taxi a little bit and see if we can get that dialed in. Fuel pump's on. I've got authority everywhere. I've done a good pre-flight. And we are going to taxi to runway 14. Let's see here. In Jacksonville traffic, experimental 635 Bravo is going to taxi to 14 Jacksonville. Is there anybody who can give me a radio check? Hello, hello. All right, well, I guess there's nobody for a radio check right now. We tightened my zip tie up. I actually have a GoPro chest thing that I ordered. So hopefully that'll be in the near future here. I have no idea what you guys can see, or if you can even see at all. So, I don't know. Bear with me, I guess. Alright, EGT's coming up finally a little bit. Let me see. Oh, the CHT is. EGT hasn't yet. Brakes are good. Get some water. Water coming up. It's been raining, so I got rain coming up through the little hole down there where the gear is. Anyways, I have no idea what you guys can see or if you can see anything. I'm just going to kind of hope for the best here. This is just a test of my audio. I have my wires literally everywhere. Nowhere that it's going to interfere with my flying, but it's everywhere. I have a battery pack over here on this side. I have my in-flight radio on this side. I need to have my GoPro set up. Right now I just have it on a selfie stick, and the selfie stick is zip tied to my shoulder harness. It's not in my way. I would never do anything to impede, or create a safety hazard. But here we go, I guess. And we're taxiing runway 14, and there appears to be nobody in the traffic or nobody anywhere near here. On my iPad it shows that there's thunderstorms above us, but obviously that's not always accurate. I'm going to stay close to the airport, so if there is something that grows, then I'll know. I don't think there's anybody behind me, but we'll get out of the way just in case. I haven't heard anybody. So I have to reach up to touch my my headset. It appears as though we're clear. I'm going to move this back and forth, see how that works out. I have no idea. Until I see it, I'm not going to know. Alright, everything seems to be good. EGT is coming up on both of them. Alright, let's take a good look. Got my third door closed. Oh man, I just get so excited to go fly this thing. It's just so much fun. Alright, let's see here. So we are on, traffic is on. Can't get rid of that flight plan. Don't need one for today. I don't see anybody out there. Everything's looking good. Fuel pump's on. And Jacksonville traffic, experimental 85 Bravo is going to be taking runway 14, and I'll be entering the left downwind for 14 Jacksonville. If there's anybody who can give me a radio check, I'd appreciate it. Alright, maybe not. We got a full tank of gas. Oh yeah, let's get that set. Alright, 700 here. 29 or 7. Alright, everything's looking good. Alright, I don't know how you guys can hear me now, or if you can. I scoot over a little bit on the runway here so that I have an out if I need it. My thing says 52, 54 on my climb out. That's not too bad. Everything else is looking good. EGT is looking good. CHT is looking good. Voltage is good. Smells like smoke up here. Someone's got a smoke going, a fire going. And 1500. Jacksonville traffic, experimental 85 Bravo is going to cross over midfield at 2,200 and depart to the northwest. Wow. Holy shit, it says I'm doing 80. 81. All right. I have no idea if this is still recording or listening to me or anything. All right, 2,500. I'm gonna go out this way and stay over all these fields out here. See if I can get this up here. There's a bunch of fields over there. Oh, what a beautiful day it ended up being. See if we can get that up a little bit here. I have no clue if you guys can see this or not. I can't see the screen. See if I can turn it back on. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, I was way low. Shoot. And we're just looking at this for traffic, and just kind of keeping our eyes out there. I'm at 6,000 RPMs. Oh, there goes my frickin' Stratus. That's what I've been worried about. It just fell off right now. But luckily it fell off in the plane. All right, we're gonna return here. I want that working. Well, I was obviously flying into a headwind because now, as soon as I turn, I'm going 80, went from 50 to 80, so there must be a pretty gnarly wind up there. Yeah. And that traffic north of the field, do you copy me?
Jacksonville traffic 9090 Juliet, about 8 to the north inbound for full stop on 14 Jacksonville.
90 Juliet, this is 85 Bravo, you copy? Traffic in Jacksonville, do you copy? This is 85 Bravo.
Jacksonville traffic 90 Juliet on a 3.5 mile final for stop on 14 Jacksonville.
And traffic inbound to Jacksonville, do you copy? 85 Bravo.
Jacksonville, we are not copying that transmission.
I'm going to be off your left side in a yellow experimental. I'm just going to stay away from you until you land.
Jacksonville not reading you on that transmission, 90 Juliet.
Yellow experimental, I have you in sight. I'm going to be landing behind you.
Okay, I believe we got that. You'll be behind us. We'll be number 1 for 14 full stop, Jacksonville.
Yep, I'm off your left wing right now. I'm a yellow experimental, and I'll wait for you to clear.
To that, thanks for the transmission, 90 Juliet.
Yeah, I'm not sure what you guys can hear in here. I don't even know if this is going to be a video or not. This might just be for my purposes. I don't know if you can see that. I have no idea what this camera is seeing. So there's somebody landing on the runway right now, and I'm keeping a high base to final. It appears nobody else is in the traffic. Nobody can hear me. I've got to change my radios, obviously. But we're going to stop and pull up that Stratus because I want that Stratus sitting somewhere better than where it is, which is down inside the airplane right now. And yes, I am high, but I want to know I can make it, you know.
Jacksonville traffic, 90 Juliet, clear active runway.
And Jacksonville, Cherokee County traffic, experimental 85 Bravo on final runway 14, Cherokee County.
Now I see you, 90 Juliet.
Yeah, I need to get a better radio. I apologize, but I had you in sight with my ADS-B, and I was staying away from you.
Yeah, I felt pretty comfortable that you saw me, so I appreciate you communicating, 90 Juliet.
Absolutely. Have a good day. And I fly to the end of the runway because I want to land down there next to my hangar. Ooh, what a rough. How's the roughest landing I've had so far? I should have carried power a little bit longer. But, man, I was getting beat up there on final.